Well, hey y'all, thank you so very much for taking time to come over and visit with me over on Fritz's Cooking Again. I'm Fritz, and guys, it's Sunday, so I reckon y'all know what time it is, guys. And what we're going to do is basically another fish fry. And I came across these wild-caught Gulf shrimp caught right here in American waters. And we have some Gorton's all-natural.
our Sunday night seafood feast over to the table. I've got the fried cod that we did up in that Moss's chicken fryer batter, and we've got some shrimp. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look marvelous? I think that looks like restaurant quality. And Mama made us up a baked potato. It looks like Mom's already got started on hers. We're having some of these deviled clams, I guess is what you'd call them, stuffed clams. I got them over at the Costco. We got some Hawaiian rolls, some maters, and my homemade tartar sauce. And guys, I found some of this a while back. I want to give it a shot. Check it out, guys. Ain't everything better with bacon? Bacon salt. That's going right on my baked tater. But all right, guys, let me get plated up, and we're going to get right back with you. All right, guys, we're all plated up here with our cod, our shrimp, our tater, and our clams. And looks like Mom's, she done dug in. She got her tater ready, and now she's in on that fish. How's that cod taste?
Oh, that's delicious.
Is it real good? You
All
like
of
that?
it is.
You like that breading?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's some good stuff. And what about the shrimp? Did you try some of that?
That's great too. Just right.
Okay. All right, guys. Forgive the hands, but I'm going straight in with my hands here. A little bit of my tartar sauce, my famous tartar sauce. I'm sorry, getting in my shrimp. Guys, I love fried fish. It's one of my favorite things. That and, you know, good barbecue. But let's get us a scrimp. Now all this stuff here, it's caught in our waters here. I don't buy that swamp fish and swamp shrimp.
Just keep them going.
Yeah, this is American waters. I'm here to tell you. Now I love flounder, guys, but I'm starting to really get into cod now too. And it's really reasonably priced. The Gorton's, I think, was $4.88 for the bag, and the shrimp was roughly about the same. Got 2 pounds of shrimp. Well, guys, I wanted to say thank you so very, very much for stopping by and visiting with me. It means the world to me. And I'm going to have to concentrate on this, guys. I'm going to get knee deep. But, all right, guys, I reckon we're going to holler at y'all next weekend. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.